Hello friends, welcome to the Lazy Diaries. Today I will be sharing my thoughts on the newly launched Nykaa Wanderlust body yogurt. So these body yogurts, they are available in 5 different variants or fragrances, and I got the variant called Hawaiian Jasmine. And in this particular video I will be just reviewing this Hawaiian Jasmine variant. So if you want to know more about this body yogurt, then stay tuned. So this body yogurt, it comes in such a beautiful light yellow plastic tub. The outer packaging is quite beautiful and I just love the packaging. And here on the back side of the tub, you can see all the details regarding the product. So here the net quantity you get is 250 ml and the price you pay for this is 550, and the shelf life of the product is for 3 years. So now here some people are saying that this is quite an expensive product, but I don't find this to be extra expensive than its competitors. If you compare this with the Mamaearth body yogurt, so in Mamaearth you pay rupees 500 and you get a quantity of 200 ml, and here you pay rupees 550 and you get 250 ml of quantity. So both the price and the quantity are quite similar to its competitors. So I don't find this to be extra expensive. I find this to be at par with its competitors. So when you peel it from here, you can find the other details regarding the product. So here they have described this particular variant, Hawaiian Jasmine body yogurt, and here it's written that it's cruelty free, it's vegan, and it's paraben and SLS free also. And here all the ingredient list is mentioned and the directions for use is given. So here all the other details which you require for this particular variant is given. So as soon as you open this cap, you can feel the fragrance of the product inside. It has an additional fragrance to it, and if you have used the Hawaiian Jasmine range before, so you might know the fragrance. It has the exact same fragrance of that Wanderlust collection. And here you can see this additional covering over here which helps in not leaking of the product, and this is the consistency of the product. So as you can see, this is a gel type consistency, and this is how it looks like. This is a transparent gel consistency. This is quite lightweight. This is very lightweight, non-greasy, and it gets absorbed very easily into your skin. Some people may find the fragrance to be quite strong, but I particularly just love the fragrance of this product. As you can see, all the gel based consistency, this is transparent. It's a very beautiful product, and I don't have any issues with the fragrance. I just love the fragrance. It's very summer friendly, very refreshing. Yes, it's very refreshing. The moment you will apply this body yogurt on your hands or any other body parts, you will just feel refreshed. It's quite a good product for summers. And the best part about the fragrance is that it stays there for almost 3 to 4 hours. And this is quite moisturizing product, and the moisturization, it also remains there for around 6 to 7 hours. And if you don't wash your hands quite often, then the moisturization, it remains for 6 to 7 hours. But if you wash your hands quite often, then you will have to definitely reapply this. It does not stay after washing your hands. And this is perfect for summers and for all skin types, and this is for all age. Men and women can use this product. And this body yogurt, this is not for winters. During winters you need something much more hydrating. This is just for summers only. So it has all the good qualities a body yogurt can have. It is very lightweight, it's a gel based consistency, and it absorbs very quickly to your skin, and it is not at all greasy, and the staying power of the fragrance as well as the moisturization is quite good. The staying power is very good. And if you compare this with the Body Shop body yogurts, then the Body Shop body yogurts, they're quite expensive. Every time every people can't afford the Body Shop products. So this is quite a good alternative to the Body Shop body yogurts. And I just feel this to be a very good product. You will definitely like this product in summers. So I will highly recommend you to try at least one variant of this body yogurt. You will definitely love this product. So to use this, you have to just take the adequate amount in your palms and just apply on your body parts. You can use this whenever you feel like. You can use this after your bath or also before going to bed. And in between, whenever you feel like applying it, just apply this. And this is very lightweight, so you won't feel anything heavy on your skin after applying this. And while traveling, you can very easily take this bottle or this tub with you, but you can't carry this in your handbags. This is quite a heavy tub, so you can't carry this in your handbags, but while traveling you can easily carry this with you. So these were my thoughts and my reviews for this Nykaa Wanderlust Hawaiian Jasmine Body Yogurt. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.